driver side marker, unoperable, or not working. This shading part right here, that's the bulb. We're gonna change that, and I'm gonna show you how. We'll go behind here. You gotta turn the wheel the way I did it. Turn the wheel in as much as you can. As you can see, we're missing a bolt or a clip, but I wasn't the one that put this together, so I would have done it right the first time. And by the way, I don't even think bolts are supposed to be here. As far as I know, it should all have clips. But either way, no matter what you're looking at, a bolt or a clip, there's a plastic bolt. All right. It's a little white plug with a green and a brown wire. Well, that's where our bulb is. I'm gonna try to just take this plug out and take the bulb out and replace it. One of those that spins, and then you can take it off. Yep. See it? There it is. Grab another one from the bag. Let's put this in. Alright, I'm gonna try to turn on the ignition, see if it turns on. We're just gonna put it in, spin it, put the clips back on. It's super easy to change. And you spin it. I spinned it to the right.